does technical analysis matter? Because as you can see from the RSI, we are at overbought conditions for block stock, Square, ticker symbol SQ, for many days now. Today is November 28, and we detected some unusual options activity that continue to perhaps defy the technicals. And so in this video, we will review the unusual options analysis and determine whether stock will continue to keep going up or will it pull back based on the data. Okay. If you've been following this channel, you know that we use a lot of data analysis to predict stock price movements. We've been able to do this even on earnings events, such as for Square. This was a day here when we predicted Square earnings to rally. This was on November 2nd. So if you haven't watched that video on how we were able to use our data analysis, we'll put a link at the top here and also at the end of this video. Okay, so for today's data, let's take a look. Options time and sales tape at the last hour. We see these 70 strike calls. There is about 6,600 total contracts paying $57 each for these 70 strike calls expiring December. So 57 times about 6,666. This would be about $379,000. Okay. Now there was also some more call options here. You can see being bought as well. The 67 strike calls. Okay. You can see that here. And these were actually being rolled from the 60 strike calls to the 67. They were rolling the strikes up from December 15 to December 29. How do we know that? Well, we do a lot of data analysis in the behind the scenes with a lot of mathematical models to look at different variables in the market. But in brief, you can see here from the options chain, the 60 strike calls are over here with open interest of 15,000, volume of 13,000, less than the open interest. We believe they are closing these, and they are opening the December 29 by buying them to open at the 67 strike calls. So this is bullish trades, okay, where they are buying these call options just like how they are buying the December 15 70 strike calls as well over here. You can see the volume here, 10,000 greater than the 3,000. Okay, so based on this these two sets of call options, you can see that this is bullish, positive 16 delta for Square. Okay, and so we can see here that despite having being overbought for many days, it's been actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 days, right? So yeah, comment below. What do you think will happen to Square? Is it going to pull back, or will it keep rising? Right? And if you haven't watched our earnings video on Square, we'll put a link here so you can learn more about our strategy on how we pick better stocks that perform better so we can maximize our profits. And if you're interested in gaining access to our stock picks, make sure to go to our website, which we will put over here. All right. Take care. Have a great day, everyone.